The man accused of fatally shooting Hydea Pendleton will remain in jail until he faces a jury for the second time in her murder.
Pendleton's death made national news because she had just returned from performing at then President Obama's inauguration. WGN's Sean Lewis was in court today.
Well, good evening. The parents of Hydea Pendleton were in court today. So is the family of Makeel Ward. Ward is set to be retried for the murder of Hydea Pendleton 12 years ago. Today in court, the judge ruled that he will stay behind bars, agreeing with prosecutors who called him a threat to the community. Just minutes after the hearing, the family of Makeel Ward upset he will not be released.
It's all about political, and my son does not deserve it.
Ward's mother, April, took to the stand today, asking the court to release him before his retrial in the murder of Hydea Pendleton.
Look at the tall guy in the...
Pendleton was just 15 years old, a majorette in the King College Prep Band, which had just performed at Barack Obama's second inauguration, when she was shot and killed in a park in Chicago's Kenwood neighborhood in January 2013. In his first trial, prosecutors alleged that Ward was the gunman.
We, the jury, find the defendant, Makeel Ward, guilty of first-degree murder.
A jury convicted him of murder in 2018. It was 2023, though, when an appeals court overturned that conviction, saying that Chicago police improperly obtained Ward's confession after he invoked his right to remain silent. The Illinois Supreme Court upheld that decision in January of this year. After today's hearing,
Devastated.
terrible. Pendleton's parents reacting to having to sit through another trial.
They are devastated, as we can all expect, but they are very strong people.
As the new Cook County State's Attorney, Eileen O'Neill Burke will become now the third state's attorney involved in this case against Ward.
He is not guilty. He's innocent.
Ward's defense attorney calling the state's case unclear and unconvincing, disagreeing with today's ruling.
Mr. Ward should have been released. He's innocent of these charges. The evidence against him, frankly, in our view, is laughable.
Prosecutors say they stand behind the witnesses and the evidence from that first trial and are ready to go again, even without the confession.
We feel very confident that the evidence that we will be able to introduce will be sufficient to convict him another time.
And Ward's attorney says they will appeal today's ruling to keep him behind bars until that second trial is set to begin. His next court appearance is set for May 5th. At the Cook County Criminal Courthouse tonight, Sean Lewis, WGN News.